Good morning, Ducky. What a lovin' day for.
The mangoes. They're perfectly ripe. Harvest day, Ducky. Quack, quack. Time for our trusty helper. Let's get this beauty started. Whew! A little high, but I can do this.
It's not starting. What's wrong, old friend?
Whoa! It worked! Good job, Ducky! All right, Ducky. Off to the mangoes we go. Full speed ahead. Almost there. I can practically taste them.
This one's perfect. Look at all these beauties, Ducky.
Almost got it. Keep those little ones safe, Ducky. Look at our first haul. Isn't it wonderful?
Quack, quack.
Juicy mangoes, all for me.
La la la. So many delicious mangoes.
Almost within reach. Soon.
Hard work pays off, Ducky. Almost done.
Hey, those are our mangoes. Stop, thief! Grrr, mine now. No, let go. Get back here. Too slow, little monkey. Up here, you can't reach me. Mangoes are mine.
Grr, too high. How will I get them back?
Wait! I have an idea, Ducky. Our tractor. Come on, Ducky. Operation Mango Rescue. All right, Ducky. Let's show them what we're made of. Take that, you mango menace! Huh? What in the...
Whoa! Too loud.
My beautiful mangoes! Ah. That'll teach you, Shadow! My pride is bruised. I'll be back, maybe. All safe and sound now, Ducky. Good thing we got him back. Another successful harvest, Ducky. And a successful rescue.
Delicious. Best mangoes ever, Ducky. Wouldn't you agree?
Quack! Quack! Good morning, Ducky. Time to start the day. Ready for harvest, little tractor.
To the apples, Ducky.
Chattering, chattering. Huh? Where did that apple go?
Someone's been here.
Better keep picking, but stay watchful, Ducky.
Chattering. Quacking. Big one here, Ducky. Many apples.
Quack! 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 Hey! My apple!
It was the same thief. They're taking my harvest.
I know just what to do, Ducky. We'll outsmart them.
Chittering sounds.
Ready for action, Ducky! Chittering! Quack!
Gotcha.
Ho ho! Nowhere to run, little thief! Chitter! Quack!
No more stealing, understand? You can have this one, but no more sneaky stealing.
Much better, Ducky. Honest work is the best.
Home sweet home, Ducky. Mission accomplished.
Chitter.
Quack!
The best apples.
We dig? No. Lift? Wait, the excavator! Yes!
Quack!
It's perfect! With this, we can save the farm!
Come on, start up! Chuck, chuck. We need to go now! Quack, quack! I know! It's stuck!
Hold on, Ducky. We're almost through the deep part. The crops are just up ahead.
Quack, quack, beep, beep.
The current is strong here. Hang on tight, we're almost across. Hold on, I'm coming. We'll get you out of here safely. Come on, hop on. Woohoo! That was close, but you're safe now. We made it.
Aw, you're welcome.
Here you go. The finest tomatoes in the land.
Carlos? Oh, Carlos? Where are you, buddy?
Carlos? Where did that big fellow wander off to?
Beep, beep.
It's okay, little one. We'll find him, don't you worry.
Come on, Lily, we're almost there. We have to check the new irrigation system.
Waddling as fast as I can, Max. Whoa, careful now. That smells an awful lot like trouble brewing near the vegetable patch. It's Carlos! He's stuck! Over there, hurry!
Eek! That is a lot of mud, Lily. How are we going to cross this?
Oh no! Carlos, hang on, I'll get you out! How to get across? Wait a minute, I've got it! We use the branches! Look, we use the big branches like a bridge, and then we pull Carlos right out! It's the perfect plan!
Whoa, whoa.
Hang on, Carlos. I almost had you.
Are you sure, Max?
Almost, Carlos. Almost. Oh, Lily, you're the best! A new idea! Aha! I finally got it in place! Go ahead, big guy, you can make it across now. Come on, Carlos, you can do it. Just a little smoother. Come on, push it. Use the log, you're almost free. Keep going. Home sweet home, eh, Carlos? No more mud for you. Ah, another beautiful day on the farm.
Look at them! Perfectly ripe! Time to harvest!
Morning, little Pip. Ready for a big day?
Mango harvest today, Squeaky. Big plans.
Whoa. Steady there, old friend.
Almost there. Just gotta reach. Ta-da!
Almost.
Got it! Such a beauty!
That was a close one. First one down.
One for Max, one for Pip.
Come on, you. Don't be shy. All right, Squeaky, I heard you.
Precision, that's the key.
Quack!
Oh, Pip, are you all right? Quack.
Funny! Squeaky!
Very funny.
See? Farmer Max is always one step ahead.
That's how it's done. Almost a full basket. Time to share the bounty. Come on, Pip.
Made it! Perfect spot for lunch.
Look at these beauties. Ready for our feast.
First bite for my little helper. Quack! Quack.
All right, Squeaky, no need to be so dramatic.
Hey. That's my seed.
This is what it's all about, isn't it? Pure sunshine in every bite. Ah! That hits the spot.
Good job, Squeaky. Future mango tree. Hard work always pays off, especially with good company.
Sweet dreams, little friend.
Thank you for all your supervision, Squeaky.
A perfect day indeed. Nothing better than friends and fresh fruit. Clean farm, happy heart.
Tomorrow, new adventures await. But today was just right.